Did you accidentally click a scam link? Don't panic. What you do in the next few minutes can make a huge difference. Follow these simple steps to protect your accounts and your personal information. First, stay calm. Clicking a scam link does not always mean your information has been stolen. The important thing is to act quickly and carefully. Think carefully. After opening the link, did you type your password into a website? If you did, it's important to change that password immediately. Now think carefully. After clicking the link, did you enter any personal information? This could include a password, bank or card details, a verification code, or your social security number. What you entered will determine what you should do next. Think carefully. After opening the link, did you type a password into the website? This could be your email, bank, or social media password. If the answer is yes, change it immediately using the official app or website. Create a new, strong password for the affected account. If you use the same password anywhere else, change it there as well. This simple step can stop scammers from getting into your accounts. Did you enter your debit card, credit card, or banking information? If you did, contact your bank as soon as possible. Call your bank using the official phone number from your card or banking app. Ask them to lock or replace your card, and carefully review your recent transactions. After clicking the link, did anything download to your phone? Look for unfamiliar apps, strange files, or unexpected security updates. If something downloaded, don't open it. Delete the suspicious file or app immediately. Then check your installed apps and run a trusted security scan. Did someone ask you to install a remote access app, share your screen, or let them control your phone? If so, you should act immediately. If something downloaded, don't open it. Delete the suspicious file or app immediately. Then check your installed apps and run a trusted security scan. Now secure your most important accounts. Change your passwords, turn on two-step verification, and sign out of any devices you don't recognize. Over the next few days, watch for unusual activity. Unexpected login alerts, password reset emails, or purchases you don't recognize could mean someone is still trying to access your accounts. If you believe you've been scammed, don't wait. Contact your bank, your mobile carrier, or your local police department. Acting quickly gives you the best chance to protect your money and personal information. If you've followed these steps, you've done exactly what you should. You've reduced the risk and taken back control. Stay alert and always trust official sources. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to Simply Senior Guide, like this video, and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the